Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Binky and today we're going to be talking about 3 of Laneige, their new products coming out. 2 that I made myself and then just 1 that they released, and 1 of them I've tried. I was going to hold off, but I can't do that. So there you go. So this one is the Acai Mango Smoothie. Acai. Did I say acai? Acai. There you go. I could refilm it, but I'm okay. Looking questionable. So there you go. So they got rid of the plastic lids. They used to have plastic lids on top of these, but they did get rid of these. But this is what it looks like. It smells good and tart. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go in a corner where I get all 3 colors. Because I know I should use the spoon. I did just wash my hands. I didn't use the spoon. So it's mine. I won't be sharing it. But I have all 3 colors on here. And let's check this out. So you're not here for the color. I mean, this isn't what it's known for, as like a crazy color payoff. Some of them are more than others. But this one's just a really pretty. It's going to complement your lips. I mean, you're sleeping. Some people do wear these every day, just out and about. I wear them at night, so it doesn't matter. Now this one is very light. If you like those acai bowls, it's very light. Very light. It's not as strong as some of the other scents. Like, I love the matcha. The matcha and cherry blossom are bold. Even the chocolate, bold. You know, this one's very light. It's very light, fruity, refreshing. So I don't think this is really going to upset anyone. It's quite tasty. Quite tasty. So if you want something very light, that's not going to drive you crazy, because some of them can be too bold for people, this one may be for you. I tend to find the Fruity collection does tend to be a little bit more docile, and this one falls into that. Now if you get the Laneige with the Bespoke, this is what it looks like. These are the ones that you do custom, and this is the packaging. Not the prettiest packaging, you know, I can get over that. You do get a little spoon in it. This is the one that I use. So of course I went with the most basic thing you can imagine. They just released a lemon one recently, and I almost got that, but I said instead of using lemon, I'm going to get lemon here with champagne. And that's what I did. And I snuck some on last night, and look at that swirl. This one's stronger. This one is stronger. So there you go. Now, there you go. Now what I am going to say is that this one leaves a white cast on your lips because of the champagne. I have no pigment on my lips because I'm so pale. But this is what it looks like, beautifully swirled. You can get this done in Korea, the actual like major store. There they do this, and they have more flavors than we do. What I will say is that there's not much lemon in there. It's mostly champagne. Yeah, I wish it was a little bit more balanced, but look at that. You can see it's mostly champagne. I want more lemon than the champagne. It's very strong. The taste on this one is strong, and the smell is exceptionally strong. And it tingles the tongue a little bit. I'm feeling it tingling the tongue, not tongue. It's not painful, but I'm very much aware of it. Now this one, I love Laneige. The champagne taste is tasty, but mixed with the lemon, if you know this, because my grandparents had wood in their house, real wood furniture, they use lemon pledge a lot. And you could definitely taste the lemon pledge a little bit. So it's not as bright, and I think what it is the champagne is kind of causing that. But yeah, a little bit. But again, it's very milky. It's very white. So again, I don't think this is something that you would wear necessarily out unless you have a lot of pigment on your lips. If you're pale like me, you need more color than that. You're going out. I mean, and some people maybe they don't care. I don't care all the time. But it works good for an eye look that's a little bit bolder. So there you go. It leaves a nice shine. And the champagne actually is shimmery, as you can see. And yeah, it's shimmery. So yeah. Now, of course, I went with another one that's so obvious, and I'm okay with that. Again, you'll see this is the cola one, the soda one. it's mostly champagne more than the actual soda. And that's, you know, I wish it was a little bit opposite. But what I want to do is I want to try the soda by itself. Let's see. The blue. Oh, that's good. It does taste like a soda. The thing is, somebody online was like, I want just the cola, but they don't do that. You have to swirl it. So now let's mix it with the champagne to see if that's what's causing part of the flavor that's a little bit strange afterwards. Let's see. It's very milky. Oh, I used a lot of product. Let's just a little bit. It definitely dyed the lips blue. And they do give you the little squeezies here. You do get one of these if you don't like to use your fingers. I don't care. So this one's a lot sweeter. Not a lot sweeter, but sweeter than the lemon. So the champagne is the one causing the interesting aftertaste afterwards. Definitely the champagne. Very yummy. But the thing is that because the champagne is this kind of sharp taste, I'm not getting much of the cola. So the balance is a little bit off. Still delicious. I just wish there was more of the cola. I really do. I wish there was more of that soda because it would balance out the champagne a little bit more. Maybe it'll change where it's a little bit more well balanced, but you can see it's like champagne for everyone, and I love it. But I wish there was more of it, more of the soda kind of component. Yeah, because I feel like, well, even with this, but no, you get the red and the yellow and white. It's a nice mixture, and with this I just feel like it's really champagne heavy. So just know, if you order the champagne, you're gonna get your champagne. You really are. So cheers to you. But yeah, I think they're really lovely. Just know that they're very milky because of the champagne. So, you know, some people may go, no thank you, and I'm like, I'm fine with it. Very moisturizing. I wore the lemon last night. I feel like it's exactly the same formula as the general ones, so nothing's been changed. It's the formula you love. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on here quickly before people start heading to Amazon to order these like I did, and just kind of get an idea of what you're getting into with this. But I think it's really cool. They're trying to bring it here into the US at certain retailers where you can go in yourself and have it done right in front of you. And I'll go heavy on the other flavor, but champagne. And I hope they bring in, right now it's very limited. The flavors are very limited, so I hope they kick it up a notch, because I'd love it if you had like 12 different flavors to work with, more than just, I think it's like 5 or 6, so it's very limited. It's basically champagne. So yes, I think these are really great. I really like them. I just, wish that they were mixed a little bit more evenly than just the champagne. And just know the champagne, just tasting it now, there's a little bit of a bitter taste to it that is on the tip of the tongue with the champagne, which is kind of how champagne is, so it's not like far off. And it's also a new formula that's a little bit more sparkly and shiny, so that'll be fun for a lot of people. Just a quick video on this, in case you were wondering. You can pick them up on Laneige on Amazon and mix your own. Yeah. So with that, have a fabulous day, my friends. Bye.